मैंने भी मेरे बैचमेट्स को देखा है, 12th में भी कोई इतना सीरियस नहीं होता जब तक
How was your PI experience?
अंदर होता है कि हाँ डर लगता है कैसे क्या होगा, तो वो डर तो हट गया था। इतने सारे मॉक इंटरव्यूज दे दिए थे, क्लास में इंटरव्यूज दे दिए थे, तो वो डर वगैरह सब हट गया था।
Any last piece of advice to the IPMAT aspirants? Again, what they should do?
Quant is an important part of the IPMAT exam, but if it is good, then focus on VRC and vice versa.
Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of IPMAT by LPT, and today we have yet another student with us, Gaurav Yadav, who has gotten into IIM Rohtak and has also gotten into various calls of IIM. So Gaurav, how are you and how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, especially after knowing that my college will be starting soon.
Yes.
So pretty excited to go and join the campus.
What's the first thing that you'll be doing when you reach the campus?
From the past few months, I have made various friends online, apart from my friends who are already coming with me in my college. So I'll be definitely exciting to.
Yes,
it will be exciting.
I think so many of the LPT students who have cracked IPMAT are majority of them going into IIM Rohtak. So there will be another separate batch called as LPT batch at IIM Rohtak, I believe.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so Gaurav, we need to know your journey. So when you started preparing for IPMAT?
When I completed my 10th standard board exam, so I was searching for various options, and then I stumbled upon the IBMAT exam where you can get into IIMs just after class 12. So I decided to start a prep in my 11th standard.
Okay, and which subject did you choose? Which stream you choose?
I chose my stream as physics, chemistry, and mathematics.
Okay, so did this thought ever cross your mind to appear for JEE?
I was originally from starting inclined towards the business and how it works, so I decided to take my attempt at IPMAT.
So you didn't prepare for JEE at all?
I used to go for local coachings for my physics, chemistry, and mathematics, and on that basis, I decided to appear for JEE Mains.
Okay, but your inclination was always towards IPMAT. So what attracted you towards IPMAT more and not JEE? The fact that you are already a PCM student.
I never really wanted to choose the traditional options, as in my family, I got a lot of support to choose a different stream from others. So I decided to go in a business apart from engineering as traditional.
So they supported you throughout your IPMAT journey?
Yes.
Because the curriculum also suited you well.
Yes.
So if one is facing difficulty in choosing JEE and IPMAT, so what advice would you give to them, that what should they go for it? Why should they go for it?
I would just say go where your heart says to go. If you have more inclination towards the business, etc., then choose IPMAT. And if you think you are better at the PCM subjects, I believe engineering would be a better choice.
So since you had PCM, you already had an upper hand towards quant. So just like most of the students who have quant, do you also face difficulty in VRC?
Yes, definitely.
So what was your strategy to tackle VRC?
To tackle VRC, as suggested by our faculty, Ajay sir, mostly I did was read newspaper. He taught me how to actually read the editorials of newspaper, and which will help me improve my VRC, while the session notes and the classes were enough for me. So
even while reading the newspaper, it's very important to pick the correct editorial also, right? You just cannot go and read anything. So you have to be very precise with that, and that's where the faculty helps you. Okay, so Gaurav, for those of students who will be appearing for IPMAT 2026 or IPMAT 2027, especially for those, again, जिनका quant बहुत weak है, what advice will you give them कि यार अगर वो 11th में है तो उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए, 12th में है, what should they be doing right now? We are talking about August.
If you are at 11th standard, I would recommend building basics, especially in arithmetic, because build इतना अच्छे से build कर लो कि 12th में arithmetic obviously पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़े, क्योंकि 12th में फिर modern maths वगैरह etc. बहुत होंगे, तो फिर वो पढ़ो. If you are in 12th standard, I would say you have to take time out of your whole day curriculum. So थोड़ी सी मैथ्स इंक्रीज।
मैथ, सो इट्स ऑलवेज एडवाइसेबल कि अगर आप सॉर्टेड हो, आईपीएमआईटी करना है 11th से ही स्टार्ट कर लो। एंड अगर आप 12th से हो, देन यू हैव टू ब्रेस योरसेल्फ अप। इट्स गोना बी अ बिट डिफिकल्ट, बट यू हैव टू इवेंचुअली डू इट बिकॉज इट्स IIMs वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट। So, since you mentioned arithmetic, so क्योंकि IB Math arithmetic heavy है, right? Modern maths and all, it comes later to the scene. Arithmetic के लिए क्या मतलब? They should first clear the basics and then they should start giving the mocks instantly or topic test, sectional test. उसमें क्या strategy?
I would say after clearing the basics, they should, let's say their respective coaching modules and questions, they should first attempt those and then they should give the sectional tests and then go for the mock tests.
So it's always recommended to stick to the resources that is provided to you. And LPT में भी like you जैसे ही होता है एक topic cover होता है, right? So you get the topic test, you get the sectional test, तो आपका already वापस sorted रहता है. All right. सिंस आप 11th-12th में तैयारी कर रहे थे तो आपके लिए काफी कन्वीनियंट रहा होगा, बट 12th में जो बच्चा IB मैट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा है उसको कैसे टाइम मैनेजमेंट करना चाहिए इन ऑर्डर टू इंश्योर कि दोनों पढ़ाई हो जाए, बोर्ड्स की भी और IB मैट की भी?
If you're in the 12th standard, I would recommend, now that of course depends on stream to stream, but obviously जो मैंने भी मेरे बैचमेट्स को देखा है 12th में भी कोई इतना सीरियस नहीं होता जब तक बोर्ड्स पास नहीं आते। तो आपके पास स्टार्टिंग में टाइम है, आप पढ़ सकते हो। अगर आप वीक में 3 दिन भी 4 दिन भी पढ़ रहे हो तो वो बहुत है, और उन 4 दिन में अगर आप 2 घंटे भी IB मैट की प्रिपरेशन को दे सकते हो तो आई बिलीव दैट you are acing it.
And you have to be consistent with the 2 hours, right? अगर 2 hours बोलने में बहुत कम लगता है, लेकिन अगर आप consistently कर रहे हो तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. Okay, and apart from that, how was your PI experience?
The day I got call from the IIM Rohtak that you have been selected for PI, so I called Mukesh sir and they said कल से आ जाओ PI से। तो एक अंदर होता है कि हाथ डर लगता है कैसे क्या होगा, तो वो डर तो हट गया था। इतने सारे मॉक इंटरव्यूज दे दिए थे, क्लास में इंटरव्यूज दे दिए थे, तो वो डर वगैरह सब हट गया था। बस उधर पैनल पे गया, बस I imagined them as my faculty teachers, like they are asking me questions and they were pretty lenient in asking questions. Of course not every time, but वो आपको कंफर्टेबल फील कराते, तो वो एज सच ऑफ अ फियर आपको होना नहीं चाहिए। बाकी जस्ट improve your GK and your acads, it's enough.
So any particular question that they asked you and you got stumbled over there?
There was only one question of which I got stumbled. They asked me the Nobel Prize winners from India. So it was the section I didn't prepare for, and I just took the random. I asked them, "Sir, I don't know about it, but I want to took a random guess." And they said, yes, sure. So I said, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and it was wrong. But they said, at least you try. So this shows your positive attitude. So instead of just declining, no, sir, I don't know, just ask them, sir, may I take?
So it's not like you should always know the knowledge. You should also be on your toes. How well you think, how well you adapt to the atmosphere. And because आप लोगों ने इतने mock PIs दिए हैं, तो आपको उसका तो डर रहा ही नहीं होगा that who will be there. All right. So any last piece of advice to the IB Math aspirants, again, what they should do, that it's a must that they should do, and what they should not do?
VRC पढ़ो. If your quants is good, then I would recommend, instead of doing quants a lot, now of course quant is an important part of the IB Math exam, but if it is good, then focus on VRC and vice versa.
Okay, simultaneously जो है उस पे आपको focus रखना है.
दोनों खराब है, दोनों पढ़ो.
Okay, so this was Gaurav with us. If you have any questions that you have to ask to him, do drop them down in the comment box below. Thank you, Gaurav.
Thank you very much.